Okay, if Windows won't boot normally, but you can boot from Windows 11 installation DVD or USB. In my channel there are several videos how to create a bootable installation USB file. You can watch that video. Once the setup is appeared, choose repair your computer option. It is in the bottom left corner. Then after you can go to troubleshoot option and advanced option, and then after command prompt option. As an alternative method, you can force shut down your PC 3 times during boot to enter Windows recovery environment. So then after again you can come to troubleshoot, advanced option and command prompt. Once you open your command prompt, first you need to type bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter. Once it is done, you need to type bootrec space / fixboot. Then hit enter. Once it also complete, you can again type bootrec space / scanos. Hit enter. Once it is done, you can finally enter bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. Once all the things is done, you can close the terminal. If it shows if bootrec fixboot returns access denied option, you can try to this one. First you need to type disk part, then after list disk, select disk 0, replace 0 with your system disk. If your list disk section your system disk number is 1, you have to enter the 1 here. Then after tap on type list partition, then after type select partition X is your EFI partition number. Enter that partition number. It can be EF anything, so you have to enter that one. So then after type assign letter equal G double dot and exit. So then after go to this path CD /D G EFI Microsoft boot. Then after again type bootrec space / fixboot. Type each one by one after. Once it is done, then after you need to type renbcd bcd.old. Then after you need to type bcd boot space c double dot windows /l enus space / s space g double dot space / f space all and finally exit. Once all the things done, you can close your CMD and try to check if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, again you have to come to that command prompt. Then this time you need to type sfc / scan now like this. Then hit enter. It will take around 5 minutes to scan and fix your corrupted system files. Once it is completed, again you need to type this command dism space / online space / cleanup image and check health. Hit enter. Once the process is completed, again you need to type dism online cleanup image scan health. Hit enter. Wait for process is completed. Once the process is completed, again you need to type dism online cleanup image restore health. Hit enter. Wait for process is completed. Then after you can check your disk related issues for this one. For that you have to type chkdsk space c double dot space / f / r / x like this. So once you're done with all the things, make sure to replace the C drive with your system drive. It can be D, E or anything if you are assigned like that. So make sure it should be Windows drive later. And once you all done with all the things, you can restart your computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.